The dog park, making friends. Well, that's... There they are. Sorta making friends. We're in the dog park, ignoring one another. I think they're thirsty. Let's get them the clean water. Here you go, honeys. They have water in that fountain, but it's full of doggy slobber. And it's all foamy and stuff. So, we'll drink the clean water. Oh, there goes Millie. I didn't bring our chucket ball or anything. There goes Mo.
It's interesting how the fire hydrants have rocks around it, so it gets soaked in, the pee gets soaked in.
That's nice, but I don't know if the dogs all use that.
Yeah. They could also just pee on the fence.
Yes, true. Pee on the fence. It's like right there, too. That one's peeing right now. Ignoring the fire hydrant. It's just an extra place to pee. It's variety.
Yes.
Right.
I wonder why they don't have more trees within the...
They should have more trees inside. They have really nice grass for a dog park.
It was closed for a long while.
Oh, during the whole COVID?
Yeah.
Oh, and it's got time to regrow, I guess.
It was never too bad though.
Oh. We go to one in Brentwood. Yeah, I think it's fine.
No. Good boy. Thank you.
More dogs to join us. Puppy too. A puppy German Shepherd. How cute. Millie, are you done being protective of the dog park? It's not your dog park.
It says it is now.
That black lab, the little one, was also very protective when we came in.
Oh, you guys
Cutie
are starting
pie.
to stinky.
Come on, fella. Let's go.
I know I have dog treats in
Hot
there.
dog smells. I
Should we
mean,
give her a treat?
not that kind of
Sure.
hot. Dog.
Oh. And this one, look at this one. Oh, sorry.
She's already on the edge.
I'm sorry, I was just trying to pet you, but I don't have good perception when I'm peering through my phone, I guess. Sorry. You are cute, though.
She's refusing to come out of the bag.
I don't blame her. She's too tiny for the mixed dog park. Is there a teeny weeny micro dog size park?
The other side.
Nico's growling.
Leave me alone.
Yeah, Nico growling. Nico doesn't want to be mounted. Nico likes to do the mounting, but not
Be
be
mounted.
mounted. Well, Mo, are you done playing with them? You just gonna run out and interrupt their
Wrestling?
wrestling and come back? See the puppy? So cute. I have a puppy right there, the German Shepherd. So cute.
Little hearts? Hearts? What are they? You want a treat too?
Well, we don't know if they can have raw food. No, they're just getting